So, why does Bluetooth AOA act like a picky eater, only choosing certain scenes? It boils down to BLE's DNA, power efficiency, and low cost. But here's the catch. It needs room to breathe, literally. We're talking high ceilings, 10 meters indoors, 30 meters outdoors. Think multi-room warehouses or detention facilities. That's where AOA truly shines. Alright, let's get specific. Where does AOA really flex its muscles? Think warehouses, detention centers, places with lots of rooms and significant vertical space. Why? Because BLE's low power consumption means those tags can last ages, and the high suspension allows for precise angle calculations across large areas. The formula is pretty straightforward. Precision is proportional to height divided by area. More height relative to area, better precision. Simple, right? But don't forget that ceiling height limit is a hard constraint. It's not magic, it's physics. Now, what about stepping outside? AOA isn't just an indoor cat. It stretches its legs into parks, factory campuses, anywhere from a few hundred square meters to sprawling complexes. The beauty here is flexibility. We can tweak the deployment, use elastic configuration, to match the area size. But remember, as you push the boundaries, precision naturally takes a hit. Distance adds noise. So, the smart move? Don't rely on AOA alone for everything. It's part of a bigger puzzle, a hybrid deployment strategy. Think of it as using the right tool for the right job, not forcing a square peg in a round hole. Let's talk money. The total cost of ownership includes tags, base stations, and integration. Here's the kicker. BLE AOA often wins on the initial investment front. It's cheaper than some alternatives. But, and this is a big but, if your space doesn't have that high ceiling, you'll need more base stations per unit area. Suddenly, that low initial cost might balloon. It's a classic trade-off. Higher density for lower height means more hardware, potentially eating into your budget savings. The real challenge is finding that sweet spot, balancing the required precision with what your budget actually allows. Sometimes, choosing Bluetooth is the pragmatic choice, not necessarily the most expensive one. So, where does this leave us? AOA is evolving, base stations are getting smarter, iteration is key. The vision is clear: secure, service-driven, manageable location solutions. But let's be real, no single technology is a silver bullet. BLE has its inherent limitations, especially regarding power and range compared to other tech. The takeaway? Don't just blindly pick AOA because it sounds cool. Understand its strengths, its weaknesses, its cost implications. Choose wisely based on the actual scene. That's the bottom line.